Have you ever noticed how contagious yawns can be? When you see someone yawn, it's like an invisible thread pulls at you, urging you to join in. This fascinating response is thanks to mirror neurons in your brain. These special cells activate when you observe someone else's actions, almost mirroring their behavior. So, when you witness a yawn, your brain interprets it as a signal, prompting your own body to yawn in response. This phenomenon might be linked to our ability to empathize and bond with others, creating a subtle connection between us. Next time you catch a yawn, remember, your brain is syncing with someone else's.